For breakfast, we're having ham and Gruyere crepes with an over easy egg. This is a really quick breakfast, but very delicious. We're making some ham and Gruyere crepes this morning. Super easy. We have a half a cup of flour plus a tablespoon of flour. Add 1 egg, cup of milk, about a teaspoon of oil, half a teaspoon of salt, and that's it. Get this all mixed together. First thing you do is you take some butter and you just butter the crepe pan so that there's an even coating of the butter. I have the crepe pan set at a medium heat. I'm going to take 1/4 cup of the crepe batter and then just tilt the pan so that the batter covers the entire bottom of the pan. And then just let the crepe cook for a minute or 2. These are delicious, just saying. Ken and I had ham and Gruyere crepes in New York City on our 25th wedding anniversary. It was called Viva la Crepe. It was excellent. And then we took a stroll in Central Park. These are delicious. Once you get the hang of making them, they're really, really good. And they make big giant crepes. These are just little ones. Let me see. Those are looking pretty good. Let's see if I can flip it. Okay, now we're just going to put a slice of ham, a little handful of the Swiss and Gruyere cheese right there. You can always fry an egg and put on top too. Okay, now I'm just going to put it in the center of the pan, and I'm going to turn it probably every 20 or 30 seconds until that cheese melts. Look at that. Ooh. These are fantastic. Let's dig in. You could fill these with just about anything, but this is my fave, the ham and the Gruyere. And that is the perfect bite. Just like Viva la Crepe. For dinner, we're making buttermilk fried chicken, mashed potatoes with a nice little gravy, salad, and watermelon. I've had some chicken soaking in buttermilk for about 6 hours. I seasoned up some flour with salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and a little pinch of cayenne. And we have a sheet tray with a rack. We're going to get the chicken in the bag, give it a shake, and place it on the rack here. Now we're just going to let this chicken rest for 30 minutes, and it's going to start absorbing the flour and making more like a batter almost, as opposed to just having a dusting of flour. The chicken has rested for about 30 minutes. We're going to get it right over to the iron skillet that has some hot oil. We're going to start frying up this chicken. here is my plate. I want to dig into the mashed potatoes with the gravy. Oh my goodness.